Good morning, I'm Kaylin Collins with Macon Bibb County Parks and Recreation. We invite you to come out this Saturday, on the 15th of April from 11 to 4 for our food truck festival. It'll be the first one of 2023. It'll be right here in the park. Bring your family, bring your tents, your umbrellas, chairs, picnic blankets. Come enjoy some local food trucks. I also have Gel Creek Winery here, have wine slushies. It's a great time for community to just join together and spend some time outside.